Hey, little explorers. Welcome to the jungle safari. Buckle up and let's meet some amazing animals. Look, it's the mighty lion. Did you know lions can roar so loudly you can hear them from 5 miles away? Whoa, look at those monkeys jumping from tree to tree. Can you jump like a monkey? Wow, here's the gentle giant, the elephant. Did you know elephants use their trunks to drink water? Look at that colorful parrot. Some parrots can even learn to talk like humans. Let's play a game. Can you find the hidden animal in this jungle? Look closely. Great job. It's a tiny chameleon hiding on the tree. That was an amazing jungle adventure. See you in the next safari. Bye-bye.